Today we're tapping on cravings, and I don't just mean food. This is for any craving, anything you find yourself reaching for that you know deep down isn't really serving you. Because here's what's actually happening when a craving hits. It's rarely about the thing itself. It's about a hole that needs to be filled, an uncomfortable feeling that needs to be covered, a moment of stress, boredom, loneliness, or anxiety that's looking for a quick fix. And the craving shows up offering to help, but the relief is always temporary. And the cost is usually something you care about: your health, your energy, your goals, your self respect. So today, we're going to clear the craving at the root, find what's actually underneath it, and fill that space with something real. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, bring to mind whatever craving is showing up for you right now. Maybe it's food. Maybe it's something else entirely. Don't judge it. Just let it be there. Notice where you feel it in your body. Notice what emotion is underneath it. Is it stress, boredom, loneliness, a need for comfort or reward? Just sit with it honestly for a moment and notice that the craving is trying to fill something. We're not here to fight it. We're here to find out what's really needed and give ourselves that instead. Take a breath in, open your eyes. Now, side of the hand, just tap where I tap and repeat what I say. Even though I have this craving and part of me really wants to give into it, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though something inside me is saying there's a hole that needs to be filled, I choose to love and honor myself and find a better way to fill it. Even though I have this craving for something that might not be in my best interest, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself and treat myself with real love today. All this craving, all this desire for something that might not serve me, this hole that needs to be filled, this feeling underneath the craving. Part of me is whining that I need this. Part of me is saying I deserve this. And maybe I do deserve something, just not this. Because I also deserve real self-care. I deserve to be treated with love. And if what I'm craving isn't for my highest good, I can do without it. And I'm letting that be easy. I'm allowing it to be easy. To choose myself over this craving because I'd rather treat myself with real love. I'm letting go of any need to do this to harm myself. I'm clearing these old, outdated ideas about what makes me feel better. These things might seem to help in the short term, but experience shows me they don't help in the long term. And I'm ready to be honest about that. I'm clearing these cravings at a cellular level, all the way back through my past. All those times I thought giving into this helped me. It felt better for a moment, but there are better ways to help myself. And I'm allowing myself to find those ways. I'm clearing these cravings and letting them just go away. Finding what I really need. I choose to really take care of myself. I choose to really take care of my health. I choose to really take care of my goals. I choose to really take care of my relationships. And giving into this craving doesn't serve any of that. So I'm letting it go. I'm filling this void with something real. I'm filling it with love. I do deserve love. I deserve to treat myself with real love. And real love sometimes means saying no. To what feels good in the moment, in favor of what's actually good for me. I'm clearing any doubt that I deserve that. I deserve real care, and I'm choosing to give that to myself right now. These cravings are clearing. That hole is being filled with something real. I am taking care of myself at the highest level for my health, for my well being, in my body, in my mind, and in my soul. Close your eyes and breathe in slowly. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, check back in with that craving. Notice if the intensity has shifted. Notice if that pull feels any looser, any less urgent. For most people, something has already softened. And underneath where the craving was sitting, there's a little more space now, a little more clarity about what's actually needed. That's what this work does. It stops the automatic reach for the quick fix and creates a moment of real choice. And in that moment of choice, you get to decide what you actually deserve. And you deserve a lot more than a temporary fix. Take a breath in, open your eyes. Every time you do this work, instead of giving in to a craving that doesn't serve you, you're building something. You're building self trust. You're building the kind of relationship with yourself where you know that when things get uncomfortable, you have a real tool to reach for, not one that costs you, one that actually helps. Keep tapping on this whenever a craving shows up, because the more you clear at the root, the less power those cravings have over time. Make sure you drink a glass of water, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.